They thought they could find someone to take your place, but they were terribly wrong. They failed to recognize the value you brought to their life, ignoring the treasure right in front of them. You were someone extraordinary, but they were blind to it. Instead of appreciating you, they let their attention drift to other things, believing they could find something better elsewhere. They got caught up in illusions, chasing after empty promises and the attention of others. Flattery and deceit clouded their judgment, convincing them that someone out there could offer more than what they had with you. Slowly, they began to pull away, finding faults where there were none, and treating you poorly. But the issue wasn't you. It was them being drawn into something superficial and fleeting. Their constant complaints and criticisms were a reflection of their own distractions, not your worth. You were growing, evolving, and moving forward, but they couldn't see it because their mind was elsewhere. Instead of appreciating your efforts, they focused on what they thought was missing, blinded by their desire for something they believed would bring them more happiness. In the end, they walked away, convinced they had found something better. But as time passed, they realized they had made a huge error. They thought you were replaceable, only to discover how rare you truly are. The happiness they sought outside of your relationship turned out to be an illusion, leaving them filled with regret and loss. Now, they watch you from the sidelines, seeing how you flourished without them. It bothers them to witness your joy, your peace, and your success. It's not about wealth or possessions, it's your resilience, your ability to rise above the challenges that frustrates them. They now see that the new person in their life could never measure up to the greatness you offered. But it's too late for them now. They missed their opportunity and the door has closed. They talk about you to others, trying to cling to the memory of having you in their life. Meanwhile, you've moved forward without any desire to look back. What's done is done, and they must face the consequences of their choices. For you, continue to find joy in your journey. Don't waste time on people who choose to walk away. Let them go with grace. There's no need to beg or plead, for those meant to stay in your life will do so willingly. You are irreplaceable, a unique individual that they lost because they couldn't see your worth when it mattered. Ultimately, everything is working out in your favor. What felt like a setback was really a hidden blessing. The universe is aligning things for your good. Their departure was a blessing in disguise, allowing you to grow in ways you couldn't have imagined. So embrace your future with confidence, knowing that the best is yet to come. May you continue to be surrounded by peace and joy, and may God guide you in seeing the incredible value you bring to the world. May you walk in strength and purpose, trusting in the journey ahead. Amen.